Hi everyone, it's Anne Marie. Hey, I have a Graphic 45 Destash offer for you today. I have many paper collections, Graphic 45 being just one of them, that they're older. I mean, they're not old, they're within the past couple of years, but I'm just never going to get back to doing projects with these paper collections, and they're just sitting here. So hopefully one of you out there can use one of these collections. I have 4 different offers, and I think of the 4, 3 of the collections have never been used. Some of them haven't even been opened. So let me jump into it. So this is offer number 1. This is Graphic 45's Enchanted Forest from a couple of years ago, if you remember this. Just absolutely gorgeous. This one is the 12 by 12 paper pad. This one, I don't know why, but there are 2 sheets missing. So this actually should have 3 sheets of all 8 12 by 12 double-sided papers, but there's 2 sheets missing. So instead of 24, you only have 22, I believe. Right? 3 times 8, 24. Yes, so there's 22 pages. So if you remember this collection, this was just awesome. And the reason that I'm letting this one go is because I went to a retreat where I bought the paper, but then I went to a retreat where we made a project with it. Look how pretty that is. So I had an extra one, and I'm just never going to get back to it. And again, these are the Graphic 45 Darks color palette, where you have a lot of the black and the teal color and the oranges and the red. Look at that. That's just all those little, what are those things called? Shields. Just really pretty. Oh, look at that green. Just gorgeous. Oh, there's one of the pages. Sorry, so you have 23 and 2/3. So you see I cut it off for some reason. Not even sure what I made with it. But again, everything else is here. That one is so pretty. So that is the 23 and a half of the 24 12 by 12 pages. Then I also have the 6 by 6 patterns and solids. You can see never been opened. Yeah, so the little, clear sticker still is there. So there's all the coordinating patterns and solids. Then we have the journaling and ephemera cards. I want to say there's 16 of each. I think. Yeah, 32 total pieces. Okay, and then there is the tags and pockets. If you remember, I'm not even sure if Graphic 45 does these tags and pockets anymore. I haven't seen them for a while, but I used to love these. And then there's some more on the back, so it's like 2 pages. And then you have chipboard number 1 with a pretty chipboard, the coordinating journaling chipboards, which are really cool. You can see they're all there. And then the chipboard's number 2. Or Chipboard 2, it's called. So, hope you can see all that. My light is kind of causing a glare. But they're all in there. It's all still wrapped in the shrink wrap. So, again, so you have the 2 chipboards, the tags and pockets, the journaling and ephemera cards, the 6 by 6 patterns and solids, and then also 23 and 2/3 pages of the 12 by 12 the 12 by 12 collection, the pattern papers, sorry. So all this, typically, I'm not exactly how much it retails for, but I know it's, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure these were about $5 themselves. So what I'm going to do is offer them, because it's an older collection, because I opened the 12 by 12 pattern paper pad, I will offer this for $30, and that includes shipping. I'm sorry, that includes U.S. shipping. If you're international, again, it'll be $30, but I'm sorry, you just I'll have to work with you on the shipping. So what I'd like you to do is leave me a comment below. And if you're interested, and I will go in order. To me, that's the fairest way to do it. So I will go in order of all the comments, and we'll see. And then I will ship these out for you. Today is Sunday. What is today? April 22nd. If I hear back from you, it is right now 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I hear back from you by 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today, I can guarantee that I will ship it out tomorrow. If not, maybe I'll wait a couple of days, but I will definitely cut this off by Wednesday, April 25th. So, yeah, so let me know if you're interested. And oh, actually, payment will have to be through PayPal. I'd prefer to do the friends and family, where you will need an email address. And please actually, oh, that's the other thing. Please actually leave your email address in the comments, just because I'm going to need that to be able to send you an invoice in PayPal. Hope that makes sense to you. Anyway, I hope to hear from you, and I will be back with offer number 2. Thank you. Bye.